If you're watching this, you got a business idea that you want to start, or you have something that you're starting but you're constantly finding yourself starting over. And there are 4 reasons why most entrepreneurs fail before they even start. In this video, I'm going to dive into it because I know what it's like to have an idea, to have something that is a burning desire, but never to actually get started, or to constantly be thrown with obstacles in your face that get in the way of you pursuing your dreams and taking action. I want to share the 4 reasons why so many people fail to start and optimize their business. Indecision. Indecision leads to no decision. So if you're not decided that this is what you're doing, you don't make a decision, you will fail before you even start, because a lot of people are looking for validation. They're looking for others to make a decision for them. So they usually have 1 foot in and 1 foot out, and they don't usually have a determination on what it is they're trying to do. That brings me to my second point, determination. A lot of people aren't determined to make it happen. If they hit an obstacle or fork in the road, and then what ends up happening is they don't do anything at all. They won't start, they won't take action, they will stop what they're doing because something got in the way. And usually it's just a test of your faith, a test of what you have going on. You have to be determined to make it happen no matter what. Do what it takes. And a lot of people today, they abandon their ideas because they're not determined that they want to win and make it happen. And then a lot of people don't take ownership for what it is that they want. So they end up failing in their business because they don't own what it is that's happening. You have to take ownership, you have to own what it is that you want, and you have to be determined that you're gonna make it happen no matter what. If you're not ready to win, you're not ready to take ownership, you're not determined, you already set yourself up for failure before you even start. You should not be asking anyone whether or not you should start a business. You should be determined and fully sold on what you're doing. If you're not sold, no one else will be sold on what you're doing either. You have to sell yourself on why you're doing it, who you're doing it for, and you have to visualize it and touch it, right? You have to see what it looks like in here, and then you have to bring it into reality by taking actionable steps. And lastly, brings me to my most important thing, originality. A lot of people fail to be original in what they're doing. And what's gonna set you apart is your mission, your vision, and your special sauce, and what makes you and helps you stand out. A lot of people are looking for ChatGPT for the answers. They're looking for AI. They're looking for mentors to make a decision. They're looking for their friends. But if you don't have that originality to be yourself, to trust yourself in what you're doing, you already failed. And when you have the ability to be original in what you're doing, you will never lack opportunity. In anything that you're doing, make sure there's a purpose, make sure you're determined in what you're doing, and most importantly, you have to take a risk. You got to stop playing it safe. You have to go for it and take a bet and a chance on yourself and what it is that you're trying to do in order to get what you want and obtain it. Anyone that you look up to, I guarantee you look up to them because they're living a life where they took some type of risk, and you kind of want to do it too. But the key word is kinda. So you either want it or you don't. How fully sold are you on what it is that you want and what you're trying to do? And that is going to determine whether you succeed. Now, if you're a solopreneur, somebody on their own, none of us do it alone. And the ones who do it on their own, they fail without this. They fail without guidance, accountability, and a roadmap. They lack direction and clarity. Every genius without a roadmap is gonna always get lost. So if you're somebody on their journey trying to figure out what it is that they want to do, and you need help filtering and getting that out and helping you identify what makes you special, I want you to take a chance on yourself. Apply for a one-on-one coaching session where I'm going to help you unlock and unravel those tools and things that you need in order to succeed in your journey, and help you get clarity on what it is that you're trying to do and what can help you bring your idea and bring it to life. If you're committed to what you got going on and you believe in your idea, I want you to comment below what it is that you're working on and what would make the biggest difference in your life and business today. Create, build, sustain in all you do. Make sure you subscribe to this channel to be a part of more videos and conversations like this. I appreciate you watching this. One love.